Hi, Michael Dresdner here to show you how easy it is using GluBoost Fill and Finish to finish a bowl or a plate right on the lathe. We've already filled the pores on this bowl, so we'll start with a light sanding using 320 grit paper. With the lathe running at its slowest speed, apply thin fill and finish either directly onto the wood or onto an application pad. Spread it evenly, adding more fill and finish as needed. When it looks uniform, cure it with a light spray of GluDry. Do the inside of the bowl the same way. Sand, apply, and spray with GluDry to cure. We've chosen a very shallow bowl to make it easier to see what we're doing.